Man, guys, yeah, check if you're ready and all, no, man. Come look what I go on, man, guys, man. You like when you're too far, you know, man. You don't see what I go on, is it that? Watch it. Oh, God, man. Look what I going on me now, guys. Watch it. What it so?
Oh, no, do it so odd, yes, so we are going to jump out.
You say, guys. What can go so? You know what I'm saying? Mango season started, guys, and everyone them find a sweet piece of springy. And sit down in a little wood and beat that thing and see if the skin push over in a guy. And the seed. Put a joke on that. Yeah.
You is my father. You is what to me? Cameraman. Because this a man that does demand me so.
Which one?
Like him and my father. Ratty.
Hey guys, rain come down. I try to cover a pattern, guys. We have a look at chapalin.
No pray?
Amen.
Gonna pray away. See, I can take off in hot to pray and start eat early. Boy, I say soup bad.
The prayer right as well, brother. Because prayer don't start to eat.
You hear that?
The itsy bitsy spider went up the waterfall. Down came the rain and washed the spider down. And the itsy bitsy spider. Oh, go again.
Alright, welcome back, guys. Yeah, man, today I deal with some gungo pea soup, guys. Yeah, man, I say my mother has some chicken foot and chicken neck in there, so I go prepare it and left some for your dinner. You see me, guys? Yeah, man, some lovely soup here I deal with today. As I can see, weather nice and ready for some soup. So just stay tuned, the whole team there, guys. Guys, I know say coconut lady there. We know say half of this we I get for use. Because she eat half. So I get it broken and hooks out for you guys. I want to know so dry now, guys, but you know the coconut then kind of scarce. So you say coconut lady, they want the water? Alright. Hot.
Do you dance now?
Do you dance now?
You want to see me in the river?
You can't go no more.
You know them the league there.
Come on, guys, I get the coconut hooks out same time. Can't want that too much for you, so. Well, coconut dry, don't look, man. So easy come out.
When you say coconut, then you say pea.
Me know.
Coconut.
Pea.
Coconut.
Pea.
Pea coconut.
No, coconut.
Get it and wash we go. Coconut, allow she to eat.
Get the coconut rinse off, guys. Yes, and if you go ahead and get a coconut.
Yeah, guys, right now I get the chicken hook them cut up and chicken clean up.
Some pretty chicken foot and some pretty chicken neck, you know, guys.
Right from Auntie P Fowl Farm, you know, guys.
Sorry.
It's a knife as sharp like a raisin.
Better not to touch your finger, you know. Ah. You know, but you want to come
Yes, guys, so as you can see right here, go and cut up your meat. So, guys, all kinds self leave the fire, you know. I'm gonna get the fire blazing. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, fire! Yeah, man, so fire up and running now, guys.
So say one piece?
Yeah. The final Latina, guys. Final piece of coconut. So yeah, let's stay tuned until we get the juice.
Hold on, man. Hold on. You know one piece. No one piece that thing. So you want piece too. You must say.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
So I know Auntie P I get the coconut juice.
Belly.
Rub down your chest. Yes. Squeeze up the coconut stomach. Hey, officer Auntie B.
I want to fold if you put it in the pot.
Next week. Yes, when Auntie P I get it squeezed. Yeah, when so Auntie P I get it juice. A lot of milk, you know, guys.
That's it. Pressure good enough here?
Yes, guys, we are going and line up the pot on the fire. You know, see our Uncle Alka will get the pot on the fire today.
It's ready.
Listen.
Guys, so Uncle Alpha get the pot starting the fire.
So wait, the brother, we are doing on it there, so. Yeah, go. Ratty, they don't say boat like rain. Yeah. Because when rain fall inside one suit of clothes wet up.
But she charge and Billy Goat here now.
John, Billy Goat.
I even feel the water. See when he chop like when boat he chop on high rock.
Hey.
On hillside.
One guys right now. The wash out the peas and then get them in the pot. First time I go wild gungo peas with the guys. And this is red gungo. No? Red one.
Bring the gungo.
One guys right now. I get in the gungo peas in our pot guys. Man, rain and fall guys, but still can't stop raining. Some red gungo peas in there guys. And make it so pretty.
Yeah man, so man, go ahead and close the pot now guys, so just stay tuned until the weather start beat and teach.
Guys, rain come down. I try to cover a pot in there guys, we have a little chapal in. Hey, watch your pot and the chapal in.
May I go to far with that thing and I dry it?
Hey, may I say I dry too far from the pot man. Can type on the two of them something right there, sir. Or on the grill. Can type on the grill. After you tie the one, you type on the other one on the grill. What do I? Yeah. And so you go if you have a shift the fire. Just on the pot cover. Come on guys, just stay tuned to sort this out. You guys end up move the pot, put in a center, chop all in. Yeah man. You see what I go on? Pick up your umbrella.
Under my umbrella. Hey, hey.
Hey, Alpha. This is sharing is caring.
Oh, thank you.
How many tea pistachio?
I'm a lover of it and almond. One for you.
And none for
Yeah, take a cameraman one.
take to a barrel goods.
Oh, yeah.
When I go foreign, just get almond to me. Pistachio. And it's good.
Very good. Yeah,
And I love perfume too.
yeah, that right
Mm-hmm.
And I love perfume.
When you go foreign, you know me.
Brother.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. If you shell, eat better than him.
Well, they shall eat better than none.
Reverend.
I salt.
Yes. You shall salt. You guys wanna hear that?
But I'm moving table. Yeah, go fertilize anti. and the tomato. You're not going to go in there again.
You see that? Right over here, the water cycle.
Holy water! You don't have to you don't beard.
I don't know.
Alright guys, just stay tuned. Oh yeah man, I start bubble right yet you know guys, but I get in the chicken foot and neck. Yeah man, that is it. My pot looking pretty though. Red gungo peas are making my pot look pretty. See that? You know, so when the coconut juice going in guys, I get a pretty looking man. Yeah man. You see rain a fall? See you know, the one I go cruel. I want to get it close back guys. I want fire booming.
You is my father.
Yeah.
You is what to me? Cameraman.
Grandfather.
Uncle.
Because this man just a demand me so.
Which one?
Like him and my father. Ratty.
The boy there, I know him.
I even said they want to have a ball ground.
You go on.
Alka, me I look down here, me can see, so you just look what me I do, so you know.
Yeah, I want to kind of implement that job.
Alright, give me for use and show me, you know, so.
Me?
This is what?
I never used that for an instrument before.
It's like a some farmer scraper, you know?
Vegetable peeler.
Peeler, right. You see? And them are for the people, them where.
Can't bother with the knife.
Yeah, too tighty.
They use the cut of cabbage too.
Me see people do it, but no. When me do now, me take me little time and cut up me cabbage myself. Me don't like it too much ready done.
Number one with pumpkin belly, you know.
Just take out the seed there.
Pick out the seed and make a...
Well, come me see have some pumpkin seed that dry. Oh, you know something there.
I plan them and I show me busy from what they come back.
You're busy more than the Prime Minister. And granny? Do you want the skin pan it or peel?
Yes, the skin is good for us.
Hey! Woo! A week here.
So I have any trouble going to the bathroom.
You're learning though, boy. You're learning. You're learning from me, Alka.
Long time not going to the
I'll do that.
Guys, the best part of pumpkin now is part.
Which part of pumpkin cameraman?
Well, more that's the seed.
Yeah.
Seed!
Yeah.
And guys, I'm going to go on that pot. And bubbly in a bowl. I'm going to make that pot purple.
You know, say, if me never have faith, aye boy. Your faith is the victory, you know.
And grace.
Yeah, faith move mountain, you know.
That me, you know that? Me say me never have faith. You see all you. Aye, sir.
You want bees in your ear. Now wait till you bite it.
If you buy me so Alka can't stand up there and see something for me and I take care.
Deep like that, man.
You don't know if you want medicine.
Colors that look some sting what they did here. But it look like we can get a little bit more on when we
Yeah. You stay near the fire, you know? Keep warm.
But you know, say, put fun and joke aside, you know, say bee sting good Good
Yeah,
for your
we know.
health.
One them saying get too many.
One basin good for your health.
One, yeah.
Well, you get surplus that in can keep them in a storage.
Surplus.
Yeah.
You said when you told me, you get
So you will have me boss. All in the adventure. Big up yourself, Colossine TV.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Time.
Take your time.
Yo.
To the zenith. No joke.
A woman ever drape you yet?
No, me.
Okay. Don't let me be the first.
And that will be last.
That we know. Here comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. We all are part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. Oh, you're not chipping.
We are the
We are the children. We are. Come to the brighter day. So come on, man. Everybody's supposed to have a party, no?
There are people dying.
So what's going on about
We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we made a brighter day, just you and me. Oh, send them on. So you know that someone cares, and their life will be stronger and free. Come on, Chipper. As God has shown us by turning stone to bread. And so we all must lend a helping hand. Oh, no, it's song, man.
Gungo soup. And coconut juice.
And carrot and pumpkin.
And the rain of fall. And the sun gone.
And the breeze now blow.
That's so cool. That's how they do the fireside.
Now I go hectic.
Yeah, man, guys, I get you there.
Yes, I am.
Carrot and the pumpkin. You know, say alka pumpkin belly have to go in it, guys.
Well, like how the patio that's so near to me, me supposed to can get two of the bowl like how me drink one up at Uncle Dickie.
Oh, God, I need to see a bigger bowl in there, guys.
My God. Are you near Soupy?
Soup it up.
Okay, we have to change your name. You have a man up and ready to near Soupy now. When name again?
You know him? Tell me about him.
Think I Irene work on brother. No, you know pass soup.
Me, pass the soup in a can. No, it's only soup.
Soupy.
Yes, guys. So alkaline I line up to go deal with the flour. So I rinse off him on. Let him get them dry. Then him proceed and start out the flour, guys. Yes, guys. So I go ahead and get in the flour you need.
What do you mean with the flour, son? I didn't.
Too much gluten.
And the piece sound hungry today.
Yes, because I recommend you not get to go in there and go to some back home cook.
Wait,
And then keep up my time.
Where's the
So you have to find it and give me.
Where mention? That's not your book.
Recipe book.
You know what my book is?
You want to live a restaurant and don't live a cook.
DJ.
Recipe book.
I will 5 months now, you know.
Go in the kitchen to you and them no.
We don't cook Friday.
Last year Friday.
I'm just Friday dinner, what is Sunday?
November.
So every Good Friday and cook.
Every Good Friday.
Move, on Friday, I come on Good Friday, go ahead.
So Friday I get there and cook.
Yes.
No, because Ratty cook every day, so I cook for. Eh?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not sure what you're
Oh, he said might spoil this guy.
All
You see them spear? You always jump on me and you. Oh, me don't cook.
oh no do it so odd yes, so we are going to jump
Yeah.
out.
Mr. Guys.
What can go so?
You know what I'm saying? Mango season has started, guys, and it's one of them find a sweet piece of stringy. And sit down in the road and eat and stringy and save the skin for sure, you know, guys, and the seed.
better joke on that.
Yeah?
Last time I come from Uncle Dickie,
Yeah.
I'm a stop. Nobody pay me any attention.
What me tell you say? What me tell you say? What me tell you say? Me tell you say alcohol look mango.
You know, not even call out, find out if I'm buck alka buck him to a fall.
No. Me correct you right here, son.
Yeah.
You get a card and we see a drop back. So we feel say something private in my taxes. So that's why we continue work, don't it?
Because we think him a ox can.
Because Mango ain't gonna look privately.
So we are saying that on in private car. So we say make we go and work.
But you,
But me know after what me say, you know say in gonna look mango.
but you especially when you,
Yeah. Yeah, Mango party.
and you see me drop right back like this up. You know much man I'm going that day, brother?
Yeah.
The Mango party.
Fine, swing your
And
fine.
you remember me say to you say I won't go over, we can't find when we are come back.
Yeah, but you're running with the man.
You want to sell out alcohol?
Yeah, new room, man.
I'm
New
gonna
friend.
leave you whole
Yeah.
friend. Where you find what you friend.
Alright,
What you have to do when your new friend go home?
alright.
Hey,
See old friend here, see him here.
I'm going with the
they
anti-piece
say
thing, you know.
no broom sweepy clean up, but they say whole broom.
No, they can't.
So that's why you go pick the mango.
Yeah,
I drop then drop.
and not my fault. I just, when you go on that tree, brother, the amount of mango. The little knapsack could not carry.
Okay, you never come down and see where you mean so we see them out there so you not give away what?
Yeah, because I'm
Uh-huh,
mango not carry.
That not say man.
Yeah,
No.
you call it, man.
No, you just say bygone be bygone man. What do you?
What you become?
Yeah.
You walk with a Mango party.
Yeah.
Who do you not need?
That's how you see.
Show me a company, I show you who you are.
I say, man, when we take up the foot in a man, and dust down the hill, man. Not a glimpse of people. When we come alone and look left and look right. And you broke the corner and because you look like about 15 minutes ago. I'll call you on it in my bush.
No man, so we may think say our private conversation and the family. Don't tell that to Sarati.
Yeah, but guess what now?
You should have waited on a hill foot for you.
You all know you make them go on.
Alright, next time you know.
Oh, so we will not fight again.
Me take my part. Me take it. Me take my
How
part.
about members say I will know where mango
Me
tree
take me
there?
runs. Me take me runs like this one.
One little mango.
One little
Bye-bye.
Mango.
But we're good now still, we're good now still.
Because you know we just clear
You
the
show
air,
them
you
a
know.
tree. You show them a tree.
Yeah, get them in same time.
Same time. You show them a tree, guys. I start right good enough so everybody can come pick up.
You see how when they want, we know what I go on.
Well, me know that me have better manga now, because me
Better
have
mango.
blacky.
And me have scratchy.
Yeah, and me have long, eh?
And East India.
All that me have too.
Julie's the best.
Me have it too.
Let's what's me deal.
Me a ratty go some of this man and we small loaded long mango tree.
Yeah, but them young.
You know where?
You have a couple months to wait on them.
Yes, guys. Alka. I get in a dumpling them. Yeah, man. No anti-pee all the umbrella because you can see we have a nice weather today. But we now make that stop way.
I mean, I just done fight and we clear the air.
Okay. I bet you gonna run the film again. Go ahead. Ratatouille.
What's that going?
But you're doing all pot.
Then I say, "Rat can't open the pot and cover him, I can't you don't know. You're going to do some same food mystery."
Hey,
A shoe?
you don't know.
Alka? A rapus.
No, cat can do that.
Alright, I don't know rat. You get a chance. A puss.
Yes, there's a chance there.
You are supposed to do it yet?
No, but me, right?
You didn't say, don't see how to turn on fan. You need to go lock the off and go back my tummy out. You got to put our 2 men apart in half.
I spinning wheel.
Leo?
No, I'm a Virgo.
Mother cover on the chicken.
You see a mother's love?
Only a mother's love.
That's a mother's love. You see all she wet up and just to keep her chicken them dry and warm. You see it? You see chicken on that? And you see the next one, you see? That's a mother's love.
Yeah man, take a page out of the book there.
What are the good book? When you know renting, you not pay for the same time.
Listen, how renting?
This.
How we rent this one? Bring that one.
Who that TV sister that did it, though?
First, we give you an extra spoon of soup. Extra spoon.
No, I give you an extra spoon of salt.
You see what I tell about the crown now?
Cause you don't eat that mango there.
And the needberry. I think I remember to mention the needberry.
Because I met bygone, you know, you see no?
And that's why you walk all of the mango there, my dear.
My your heart swell. Like you swell, you know that's not good for you.
Man, guys, I'm at South Irish. Irish potato. I'm gonna look at Jamaican on though.
Yeah, that look like a down the country in the west end that come from. Or Clarendon.
So what food today, almost ready now. This is jackfruit this morning.
So what's up?
So what's up?
You see the meat scratchy.
Neesberry.
Long mango. We don't do plum now coming here.
Thinking too.
We are alone like that.
Do plum.
You come? I can't do something.
Apple. We can make juice. So brother, stop drinking the plastic bottle of this thing.
For water? Original coconut.
Yeah, man.
Here.
Now, cocoa.
Purple one.
Yeah. And then they match out the Irish and cocoa. They match out the one that's in and one guys. That one are freshly digging, man. You see that? I look at dirt still upon you know.
Money dashing them ever healthy. Yeah.
Hello.
Like it dashing them.
Gummy.
Auntie P have tricks. for kids.
Kids.
They had to give me money.
So I want to get bonus.
A Domino's. And if we call.
Oh, the shopkeeper says it out, so this is what on it.
I hope you are no stand.
This is our now.
Yes, so we'll go ahead and get them cut up and then we'll rinse them off. Yeah. And then we'll get them in our pot now, guys. So right here, go and get them cut up.
Come on guys, right now I'm getting the coconut soup. Soap in.
Wait till I make that quam.
Yeah.
Alright.
They're still original.
Yeah.
I know say I'm soap in inside of the guy, you know? Come to the inside of the pot.
Man, yeah, set it in the pot now.
Know that Jesus got the charges. How much charge are they on you? There?
Charge.
He got the charges.
Come on guys, right now I get the ground provision them wash off, you know guys. Come on, get them in another container. Then we get them in a pot. The man has some cocoa, Irish, and dashi, you know guys. Right away them are going in a pot, you know guys. Man, look how they look pretty in a basin.
Yes, guys, we are checking from the pot to see how far it reach.
Good.
Hello.
It's a pick up already, guys.
As usual, you know, say Ratty a big chef in on the food. Ever smell and taste good, you know, so we just wait for him.
I don't know, say when me and the curl boss mash up the soup.
Yeah, one halka, you know, guys. Yeah, one.
That is it.
Same side go.
I want to have a curl.
Same side go. Alright guys, right now I'm gonna get the seeds and wash off. Same time now guys. Make the skeleton cut up first.
Yeah, that's the skeleton. Our skeleton. Auntie feel in our first line up.
Yeah. Because it's when me ready, me just want to step in Jerusalem just like that.
He says you have a blend of some mango. That juice can't come in.
Man guys, I'm gonna do the sweet pepper right now. Man, sweet pepper can go in a soup, yeah?
Not only hot pepper. Right. Flavor smell nice. Yes, guys, you know what say. The onion time.
Come on guys, alright, now I'm at what the okra. No? Slime it up. And to the is about 6 okra. You know, so when this is going nice soup, it's soup thick, you know, guys. Man, I may have a 1 scotch bonnet, guys. Yeah, man, and piece of thyme. Right now, I'm just going to go straight ahead, you know, guys, and get it in a pot, you know, man. Look there. Come look what I go on, man. Come look what I go on, guys. Look what I go on. See what I go on? Oh, God, we need a 1 store first, man. So, I don't want to cool in all car.
Yeah, see him say go. You know where they are?
I tell you.
Oh, that chip.
Man, getting natural season, guys. Remember, guys, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, onion, and okra, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good. You know, so we soon get in a rooster. Yeah, man. Nearly 5 o'clock now, when I say no rooster have a crow.
One go from bed.
And the pimento seed we crush out and out too. And now we'll go for 1 bag. Man, guys, you know, say, when you see this at here, you know, at what time?
What time is now? 4:41.
Right time, we go up on rooster now, guys. The one I'm also.
19 minutes to 5.
Come guys, wait that. Uncle Rocky Moto.
Hey, you see you? Get in the rooster and I'll do him a fight me like you know and go up on roast.
Papa branch.
Yeah, man, 1 pumpkin one first, you know, guys, you know? Story mean, you know? Story in the rooster.
Smell that? 1 rooster that you know.
Man. Rooster is so hungry.
That rooster that don't like it late. What did that rooster there? Give some candy.
You talk about corn, you know, man. I never remember someone stop and buy 2 corn from lady because I see them out there, you know. Remember, I never remember, you know. You know, getting some jerky. Yeah. Bring up the flavor. Now left out the cayenne. Yeah, man, that is it. Just stay tuned, guys, until I get in a little salt when I taste the pot. Alright, guys, come look what I go on, man. Rich. What me say? Rich. You see? I must.
Dr. Porsche.
Oh?
Dr. Porsche.
And guys, man, I taste one, you know. Tenge? Boy? All you want to know, guys, I look bring up the flavor, you know. Yes, sir. Tenge?
Yeah, the soup rich like tenge tenge. Oh, tenge tenge tenge. Tenge tenge.
Yeah,
Do the
man.
tenge dance.
Right there, we take off the tenge.
Yeah?
I would take off the tenge.
See Tenge there? Call him, man, and then jump on a flight same time.
Tenge tenge.
Want a little bit more, guys. Stirring that in, guys, huh? Well, I say, the more your story soup, I thick I get. See me, guys?
Them say go.
Man, I mean, I taste what I go on now. See if I eat this, you know. The one a cool. Man, guys, mother I go love the one, man. When she tastes the one, man. You know, it's a long time I drink gungo pea soup. And the first time I make it. Yeah, first time I make it, man. You know, so guys, I make this one bubbling, man. And thick up a little more and everything blend in, you know. Watch out, guys, nearly miss out on our ingredients, you know, man.
Secret.
Yeah, man, secret, man. And some pimento seed, guys. Crush them out already. Oh, smoke a go on, steam a go on, if you say. And get it in. You know, say after this, guys, when you check back on the pot, come off.
O'clock. Yeah, they cut through there.
Man, guys, yeah, check if you're ready and all, no, man. Come look what I go on, man, guys, man. I couldn't get too far, you know, man. You know, see what I go on, is it that? Watch it. Oh, God, man. Look what I going on me now, guys. Watch it. What it so?
39 with that.
The man, guys, ready to come off, you know. When they're crowing. Alright, guys, I get it cheer now, you know, man. You don't know, say, from when I see China, you know who for. I left my spoon. Oh, spoon lost me right there, sir. Yeah, man, for when I see this, guys, you know, say I miss China, you know. It's China with a big bowl. Auntie P. Original cutter.
You shall find axe and it shall be given.
I take you right there, so no one hawks your hawks. The size of this bowl, you can't put a little bit in there.
Pull it here and if you eat off, it will beat there.
Same so it go. Auntie P too cruel. Soup looking rich. And we know say we don't drink nothing, guys. When the cameraman and Hulk drink little, we not sure if we greediness.
Yeah. Now make pride kill me, yeah? No pray ready?
Amen, amen.
Gonna
Praise
pray
the Lord.
where? See, I can take off in hot to pray and start eat early. Boy, I
Gonna
say,
pray.
I say soup bad.
Me pray right as well, brother, because
pray with
we
a
don't
man,
start to
grow up.
eat.
You
You
hear
want a
that?
cruel?
Yeah, come
Pray
on.
come in.
Grunch could fly down now, yeah. Tell you to be a Grunch.
So what kind of
You know it's alright now, one book. Soup. Weather, soup.
So this is to be our car, I know, you know, because we didn't know what you a cold time. No.
So, Rosie, you don't realize you're going to go there missing.
Calm
You,
down.
you realize that you're going to go there missing.
Come pick some of that through you. Over there.
You're blind.
You pick up on Friday.
I'm going to go pea soup.
Don't you get no gungo.
Why?
Don't let butter my pot.
Yeah, but my pot.
I'm just get the flavor, man. That is enough.
Not nothing too much of it.
We have to get some off of the tree and some off of the...
Yeah. I 2, 3 them.
Yes, guys, that's soup there.
Nice. Yeah, so I'm sitting for now.
The auntie paid a big container. Oh, God.
And I see how we know.
Yeah, man, and she a win one. So here she asks you another round.
Nah, win me.
We're not just Auntie P take our fast to this.
Change a slippers to that one, huh?
Hey, listen, we can't bother with them, you know. Yeah, so as the two then can move up like so, look, no?
What the graphic is so? You can't do it.
So you can't go up.
Alright, you see what I want already? Load up, yes, soup water.
Load up, load up.
Soup water, yeah.
Water.
Liquor, everything. Nobody starts sweat yet.
I'm not sure wait. Why people couldn't resist it, you know? Put up on a double. Now try beat Auntie P though.
Auntie P is still a lead.
Can't beat Auntie P.
And I on yourself and I say, never eat here from my mother again. Come look for enough left in there,
Look
guys.
what because one more sharing there for Auntie
Enough
P.
left in there, guys. Up there, see?
One more
Enough
sharing there
soup
for Auntie
left,
P.
man. We're on yourself, guys, but the one you're cool, I'm not telling no lie.
Do you want to hear about
Same
nightcap?
side go.
The rest of the nightcap.
Like a good pot of soup in the weather, yeah.
I'll call you cruel, man.
No.
You sure you're not left none for mommy?
But half man.
Oh, enough still in there.
Yeah.
Alright, go and do your thing.
You know, try beat this Auntie P though, you know.
Auntie P, park up, man. Look how she's lean up.
Park up. I'm more.
Auntie P
If you want to do that road.
No, sir.
Just go no something for no talk, you know? You can't talk too much.
Well, with that one, if you want to catch Auntie P, you just cook a pot of soup.
That is it.
We don't eat for everybody.
Yes, you going to be soup like curl, man.
Yeah, man, Auntie P have to come back for one fourth ball. Yeah, man, Auntie P are going very good.
A very good job.
And I feel say Auntie P could have done a greater job. And drinking 2 more bowl of soup.
You don't say a wicked?
Pray for me, you got church. Ratty, I tend to on that. No, Ratty, you're going bad too. Mine ain't no left none for your mommy, you know.
I'm first on this man.
First.
Yes.
Alright, alright.
Thou shall not tell.
Clyde.
True.
Check in. Yeah, man.
Guys, I want to see the cup here. I don't know how far one, you know.
Drawing show on that.
Yeah, man behind the camera. You know move so deadly today.
Straight yard. You understand? Auntie P almost half here already. Alka going on well.
Third place in there.
And Ratty, you know, so Ratty done film 10 times. So go again, guys. So, I couldn't see what I go on. Alright, thanks here. Then cheer me out, guys. A joke. Yeah,
Man.
first and final.
I 9 cup that.
Me first.
Ah, the second.
So you got going like your boss here now.
No. The witch was in look while and the thought was out.
Yes, guys, the soup.
Real.
Yes, slap wet.
That is it, man.
Yeah, anti-PRS. Alga already win. So we are run for second place.
The race is not for the trip, you know. But who can endure to the end, here?
So if me win anti-P, doesn't know that my ball big.
So you go on.
You ready, brother? Come on and find your way back home right now. Find your way back home. What do I say? Light a candle, sing a song, key and find your way back home. Everything on that now. Well, he can't chat them.
Yeah, man, guys, just like, subscribe, and share. Big up on yourself and stay blessed. The one you're crowing. You want to sleep now?
Right, this man,
Sober.
right, this.
One drop at it for him. I was telling him now. Come and tell you.
Oh, Mr. Pan the Crow.